Hold on a
Ready?
second. Don't do it yet.
Hi, honey. You ready to eat? Okay, let's go. Oh, I'll wait till you're done yawning. Come on. Let's go. Oh, not successful.
Fail. Fail.
She's trying to do it.
Yeah.
Come here. You want to do it yourself already? This looks like it's going to be messy. Huh? What do you think? It's going to be messy? You want some more? No, not so much. Are you eating any of it? It's all over your face.
Pissed.
Come here. Come here. I always gotta get that off your forehead. Come on. Let's try again. Don't move that arm, crazy girl. Clear of that arm.
Do the airplane. Yummy.
Yummy.
Is it good? Is it good?
Ready? Let's go.
Get out of here, lady. Get out of here, lady.
There's like nothing left.
Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Come here, big girl. Come here, big girl. Do you like it?
It's
You're making
soup.
bubbles with it.
It's soup.
No, you're not getting a bowl.
Give me some more of that
lady.
stuff.
You're not getting a bowl. Oh, you want to do it? Here you go. Ready? I don't think any is landing in your mouth, honey. What do you think? Lucy? Do you like it?
Can I try?
Sure.
Alright, we'll switch.
Okay.
Let me sit where you are.
Dave's gonna try. Say hi. Hi, baby.
I want to do something.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here's Daddy. He's gonna
Some
try.
of this soup that Mother made you.
It's gotta be soupy.
Ah, come on. Yum, yum, yum. We're in. We're in. Don't do it. I gotcha. No. You not ready for this?
Hi, baby.
Are you not ready for this? Glad we need to wash you and change. Oh, in the eyeball. Oh, in the eyeball. Rice cereal in the eye. Boo, daddy. Boo, daddy. What do you think? You done? That was a good first shot, huh?
Was it good?
Let's try a little more. One more time. Before you get irritated. Oh, let it go. It's gonna flick everywhere. Let it go, you goofball. Come on. Just a little more. I ate it.
I'm done.
Alright. Good job, Boobers. Good job. Good first try. That's a good first try. There you go.
I'll eat your hand
There you
instead.
go. That was a good first try, Boobers. Nicely done.
Oh. Lucy. Lucy. Ugh. It's exhausting.
Do we reuse this?